Hi, welcome to the space of Agnes Elisa. I am Agnes Elisa, an e-learning designer specializing in creating learning experience in bilingual and compliance. Today, I would like to talk to you about the silent risk inside on the new organizations. Bilingual compliance courses can look correct, but are not instructionally or legally accurate. And here is why they fail. First, translation is not enough. Legal and regulatory terms doesn't always have a direct equivalent. A single mistranslation concept can create operational or legal exposures. Number two, scenarios often ignore cultural differences. Learners can interpret instructions based on the cultural context. If these scenarios doesn't align with that context, compliance can become unclear. Number three, universal designs inconsistencies reduce understanding. Mixed languages buttons, unclear instructions, or mismatched visuals lead to confusion that affects compliance outcomes. So what is the solution? The solution is a risk-aware, intelligence-driven instructional design approach, one that validates legal terminology aligned to the cultural context and ensures learning objectives are clear across languages. If you want to evaluate your current training, let me know. We can help you to success your team. Remember to like, share, and comment on this video and follow me in all social media at the Space of Agnes Elisa. Also, you can access for more information at agneselisa.net. Thank you for seeing me and see you the next time.